Game?
Game na, game.
Game start. Rubah jersey number 1, good for 2. All good for 3. Pushing foul. Jersey number 43, pushing foul.
Ay, may bigay ah.
All na, jersey number 43.
Shoot!
We've got jersey number 4. Quarterman foul. Jersey number 29, Sir Albano.
29 daw, sir. 29 daw po.
Ay, Sir, jersey number 15. Sorry. Jersey number 13, good for 2 by jersey number 13, Sir Bautista dribble the ball. Sir Bautista again. Foul ang tawag ng ating official referee. Jersey number 4. First personal foul, second team foul pa lang. Remaining 27 seconds. Jersey number 1, good for 2. Same ball, 11 to shoot. Rubah jersey number 1, kasi serve a shot. Rubah jersey number 22, pero may foul. Suspend red, jersey number 43.
Nananakit si Kalim. Suspend ko yan.
Second personal foul, third team foul. To shot.
Binasan mo na naman, Brad. Binasan mo eh.
Shoot na yan! Ah! Poka naman po.
Ayaw talaga. First draw, supply.
Luluwa!
Alat mo, boss.
Spotted ang kang lecture.
Baba.
Jersey number 43. Good for survive, jersey number 13. Jersey number 23, dribble the ball. Good for survive, Sir Strela.
Dalawang beses na yan. Panic pa penalty. Lock. Third personal foul. Kalip.
It's number 1.
50 seconds. 59-56 in favor of black.
Jersey number 4. Real by. Jersey number 1 passes jersey number 79. Sir Richie. Number 2.
Isa una. Kuya.
Jersey number 29. Passes Sir Richie. Last 35 seconds. Over the wide. Last 25 seconds. Last 15 seconds. 10 seconds. And on the foul. Who's foul rep? Who's foul rep? Jersey number 10?
Albano.
Jersey number 29.
Second personal warning for penalty.
Second personal foul. One of our fouls. Last 6.7 seconds. Last 6 seconds na lang po. Still.
All 60.
Last 5 seconds.
Hindi naman galing sa labas.
Galing sa labas.
Galing sa labas.
Natasha eh.
Kaya nga tinakbo niya eh. Technical yun. Sa shop.
Ang bilis na.
Technical tayo ha. For leaving the court without permission ha.
Leaving the court. Okay, technical foul daw for leaving the court without permission.
One shot. Technical.
Nagpe-free throw naman daw.
Isa lang, isa lang.
Then 12 possession.
Ano nga siya dito? Kumakita siya.
Sa labas.
Okay, 12 possession.
Okay, lamang ng ang Brown ng isa. 5.4 second remaining third quarter.
Oh, bato na! Walang oras!
Pasar na lang mga Meriones.
Sige, pahinga muna kayo, 2 minutes.
Kanya ka konti. Tapos balik ka sa akin. Tapos babalik ako ito.
Yun, welcome back, Sir Adrian Malubay. Sumakses na sa forms. Shoutout sa mga di pa nakapag-download ng SF5. Lente. Next year, may advisory na sila.
Play the game lang tayo ha. Pag-isipin kahit ano kasi. Play the game, nakangin ko tayo maglalaro. Sana mo dito ano.
Shoutout, Sir Abila. Fresh from Commonwealth.
Okay, game. Back to the basketball game.
Hangin lang ha. Mga 10 minutes pa pahinga. Sige 10 minutes. Ay, akala ko.
2 minutes. Okay na yan. Welcome back, sir.
Rock to the basket.
Sir Pumada ng Page. Mukhang may pangitain to ah. Last laro niyan, best player yan eh. Okay po, wait lang po. 6 players in the court. Technical yung Brown. Okay, may isang free throw ang Black. Ano ba yan, Brown?
Inimbaw niya eh. Inimbaw niya yung bola eh.
Tama na.
Okay.
Okay. Sige po, mainit na po ang panahon. Huwag na pati ulo.
Chillax lang.
Grabe ang init ng laban.
Chillax.
Literal.
5-5 lang eh.
Sir Linesis kasi.
Jersey number 10. Pass to jersey number 39.
Shot!
Dribble by jersey number 4. Pass to jersey number 2. Sir Alfano dribble the ball. Pass to jersey number 15.
Oy!
Jersey number 29.
Shot! Oy!
Still by jersey number 4.
Oy! Ang init!
Naging init. Welcome back, Sir Sahagun.
Ground ball.
Madaming players nagbabalik sa bench siya. All in na to, all in.
Jersey number 29. Pass to Joe Alfano.
Ay!
Dribble by jersey number 4. Jersey number 70. Black ball, same ball. Sir Estrella, dribble the ball. Pass to
Welcome
jersey
back,
number
Sir
4.
Maristela. Welcome back.
Sir Alfano. With the team. River by jersey number 15. Still by Sir Estrella. Pero may foul. Jersey number 29. Third personal foul, first team foul. Isa lang po ang kalanangan ng Brown. Isa lang.
Dagdagan niyo pa! Wala! Round ball.
Purple ka dapat.
Jersey number 29, pass to jersey number 15. Dribble by jersey number 17. Jersey number 17 ulit ang Glese. Jersey number 17, pass to Sir Galib. Dribble by Sir Ochi.
Parang ang aga ni Sir Maristela. Last game kayo ah.
Survivista. Open shot, number 2.
Tatlo na naman, tatlo.
Number 2 by Estrella. Number 2, Zeta Shaw. River Valley is number 17. River Valley, Sir Urchin.
Ay, nako. Ay!
Foul, jersey number 22.
22, second personal.
Second na.
Second.
Second personal foul. Second team foul. Foul. Jersey number 4. Foul, jersey number 29. Sir Bautista.
Wala pa, third team foul pa lang, bro.
Second personal, third.
Second personal foul. Third team foul. River Valley, jersey number 10. Dribble the ball.
Wow.
Foul, jersey number 43. Sir Carly.
Michael graduate, first team foul.
Jersey number 43, 1-4, graduate. Substitution.
Passion, si Passion.
Labas na pang lalabas. Sir Khalid.
Sir Khalid, 1-4, graduate. Group review, Sir Urchin. Group review by jersey number 4. Jersey number 1, Tinutok, good for 2.
Under 2 minutes of the
Foul, jersey number 10.
Under 2 minutes, pag hindi nyo ginamit yung isa, makabawasan nyo. Baras kayo, tignan nyo time out. Sir Galing, may tatlong pa kayong time out. Tatlong time out. Under 2 minutes, pag hindi nyo ginamit sir, mapabawasan ng isa.
Tatlo pa time out nyo, ha?
Time out.
Brown.
Round. Oras na the last 4 minutes and 39 seconds.
Ilang foul to it? 30 sila, ba, sir? Hindi, sila. 4.
First pa lang sila eh. First team foul pa lang sila, sir. Sir, kaya warning for penalty kayo, ah.
Jersey number 10. Foul, counted.
Counted.
Foul, jersey number 13. Second personal foul, second team foul. Body shot. Oh, jersey number 10.
Warning for penalty. Ay, penalty na.
Penalty na tayo, rep. Penalty.
Ilan na yun?
Penalty kayo, sir. Apat na kanina, sir.
Ilan na yun?
Apat. Sila, sir, ano pa lang, second team.
Ilan na yung number po? Number 10.
Number 10, third.
Please, number 10, third personal foul, penalty. Jersey number 29. Good for 2. Jersey number 10, warning for graduate, penalty.
Warning for graduate po.
Chief, congratulate!
Ground defense.
Jersey 17 versus Estrella. Foul, jersey number 17, second personal foul, third team foul.
13 foul, 13 foul.
Third team foul. Still by Estrella.
Usman rep.
Foul, jersey number 13. Third personal foul.
Third personal.
Warning for penalty.
Warning for penalty.
One shot.
Shoot! Ay! Minamadali eh. Kasi lang din eh.
Oh, jersey number 10, 17, pass jersey number 23. Good for two by Estrella. Jersey number 29, still by jersey number 7. Pass jersey number 4, sakto. Jersey number 17, Salse Khalid. Foul!
Sino foul?
Usman rep.
10.
Jersey number 10.
Graduate.
10.
Minutes sa 10.
Bonus shot.
Galing tayo sa 92, sir. Galing tayo sa 92. Sama na.
Huli.
Jersey number 29. River by jersey number 13.
Push ball, Red.
Jersey number 29. Penalty.
Third personal, number 29.
Third personal foul, penalty.
Dalawa sila 29 kasi.
Uy, dalawa na lang. Oy, dalawa na lang lamang nyo. Ah, last 2 minutes, 15 seconds.
Good to one.
Nasaan na lang.
Last 2 minutes and 10 seconds.
Oy, score dyan, score! Simon!
Tawag ng ating referee, brown ball. Tawag ng ating official referee, brown ball. Rebound jersey number 70. Foul jersey number 22. Two shot, third personal foul, two shot.
Naku po, Diyos ko, isa na lang. Wala! Wala yan, wala! Wala! Ay, tama! Sakto! Okay, brown ball! Brown ball! Sabi ng referee. Ay, nag-precision.
Brown ball. Tawag ng ating official referee.
Oh, score tayo, score! Shoot! Shoot! Yun!
Good for Dubai, serve a shot.
Last 2 minutes, pa. 1 minute, 21 seconds. Ay!
Penalty tayo, penalty. Foul jersey number 22.
Warning, sir, warning.
Warning for Radwick. Warning for Radwick.
One minute pa.
Captain ball.
Anim daw yun.
Ayan, literal na graduating yan.
Da! Wala yan, wala. 1 minute.
Literal na graduating ka, Erwin.
Da!
Counted.
Kotek. Ah, shoot na yan! Shoot! Yun!
Good for Dubai, serve out this.
8-1.
Apat po ang kalanangan, apat po. Last 55 seconds, apat po.
Oh, gamit oras, oh, gamit oras. Wala!
So, isa na lang po ang kalamangan. Last 49 seconds.
Oh, gamit oras!
Foul, jersey number 30.
Oh, hindi pa na-shoot!
Two shot po, two shot, penalty.
Number 13. Number 13, warning for Bradley.
Number 13, warning for Bradwick.
Dalawa na. Sir Galip, warning ka na rin, ha? Dalawa na kayo.
Hoy, bagsakan nyo na to!
Ano, kuha ka na, wala pa sa akin.
Bautista, bagsakan mo to para mag-graduate na. Sige, dikita mo na yan para mag-graduate yan. Kailangan di ka para foul.
Na-time out daw sila. Pag di pumasok, walang timeout.
Dalawang tira.
Shoot! Shoot mo man. Ay, naku naman. Walang tulog ka mamaya.
Stay tayo yan.
Sila niya pag pumasok, time out.
Wala kang tulog mamaya. Shoot mo yan. Ay, talaga naman. Ay, foul.
Time out!
Time out, block team.
Black
Okay, last 36 seconds.
penalty.
Penalty, Brown.
Penalty po. Ready na green, tsaka beige.
Penalty.
Penalty, di ba?
Penalty.
Penalty na po.
Penalty na po.
Penalty na po, penalty na.
Two shot.
Pasok mo rin.
Pasok mo yan.
Third personal foul. Penalty.
Shoot naman. Otik ng manok. Shoot! Otik talaga.
This is 29. Foul at tawag ng ating official referee.
Yes.
Penalty.
Nice rep.
Second personal.
Second personal foul. Penalty.
32 seconds.
Isa lang ang kalamangan.
Shoot! Yun! Tatuhin mo na!
Reggie, time out ka ba tayo?
Kasi basta ako lang sa palo sa'yo.
Time out ka na.
Dito naman kayo, circle.
Yun!
Time out.
Black! Black! Black ba?
Lang tamot, Black.
Okay po, wala na pong time out both teams.
Hindi, meron pa sa...
Ay, ano ba?
Brown left.
Dalawa pa sa brown pala. Black wala na.
Last 32 seconds.
Oh, gamit na oras!
Foul.
Nice foul. Pwede na yan. Wala.
Second personal.
Second personal foul. Penalty.
Naman na, penalty na.
21 seconds.
Wala yan, wala!
Black, walang timeout ha.
Wala!
Last 21 seconds.
Ano oras ba yung joke? Maaga.
Wala! 21 seconds!
Break time yung ano joke.
Yun! Wala!
Foul. Jersey number 23.
23.
Last 19 seconds. Third personal foul. Penalty. Tatlo lang ang kalamangan.
Nung last week, di ba may 1 day? Oo. Na lang rest extra. Uwi mo na.
Ayusin mo yung pukol!
Hindi kayo nag-compete. Ano lang yun?
Wala na pong timeout ang Black.
Oy,
Wala na pong timeout.
shoot mo naman! Kalabo, kalabo! Ay, shoot mo naman! Isa lang!
Sergi, dalawa ka timeout niya.
Shoot! Yun! Very good. Abuso?
Last 19 seconds.
Uy, grabe.
Jersey number 22.
Piniro mo pa kasi.
Sergi!
Graduate!
4 versus 5.
Apat sa 5. Laban yan.
Si Sir Chin ba graduate din?
Oh,
Wala mo na ganyan, 4 versus 5.
Graduate na, di pa nga tapos na submission.
One day pa yan eh.
Okay, first time na mangyari, first versus 5.
Para sa
Di naman nasaya.
naman nahawakan, di ba? Mas artista sa'yo yun, patay ka. Oh, wala. Ba yan?
Last 14 seconds, black ball.
Sir, hawak lang, hawak. Hawak lang tayo. Time out kami, time out.
Time out daw po, time out, time out.
Time out.
Round.
Wala kang kalamangan, last 10 seconds. Dalawa lang ang kalamangan.
Oh, foul!
Foul, gives number 23.
Warning for graduate, Sir
Warning
Estrella.
for graduate.
Ito na yung graduate na yan.
Sir, sabay ka na sa akin.
Sir, sabay ka na kay Sir Reggie.
Oh, shoot mo yan! Bautista!
Bautista, pag di mo lasag yan.
Graduate ka.
Bautista, shoot mo, gagraduate ka dito.
8 seconds na lang. Shoot! Yun! Oy, take time!
Ang brown, isa pa.
Okay, wala na time out yung black ha, yung brown isa pa.
Yun!
3 points. Tatlo.
Babala.
Last 8 seconds, tatlo lang ang kalamangan.
Bola!
Tatlo, last 4 seconds. Basa na lang maririnig.
Oy, ba't ganyan?
Next game.